औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स MCQs ऑन कश्मीर इशू। दीज MCQs आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर CSS, PMS, FPSC, PPSC and any competitive exam. Let's get started. How many wars have Pakistan and India fought over Kashmir? 3. When did the first ceasefire come about between Indian held Kashmir and Azad Kashmir? 1949. When did the first wave of militancy start in Kashmir? 1989. Which country raised Kashmir issue in UN Security Council in 1948? India. What was the line of control called before 1971? Ceasefire line. How much Kashmiri territory did Pakistan hand over to China as per an agreement signed in 1963? 2000 square miles. Which Pakistani head of state signed the Shimla Agreement? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. When Pakistan and India fought first war over Kashmir? In 1947. How much percent area of Kashmir India controls? 55%. Pakistan and India went to war over Kashmir for second time in 1965. When Indian troops landed in Kashmir Valley for its acquisition? 27th October 1947. When Pakistan and India fought third war over Kashmir? In 1999. For how much money British Indian government had sold Kashmir to Gulab Singh? 7.5 million. British Indian government had sold Kashmir to Gulab Singh in 1846 through the Treaty of Amritsar. Who was the ruler of Kashmir at the time of partition of subcontinent? Hari Singh. When United Nations Security Council passed its first resolution regarding Kashmir issue? 3rd August 1948. How much percent area of Kashmir is controlled by Pakistan? 30%. Which Indian political party's government revoked Article 370 of Indian Constitution? Bharat Janata Party. When was Article 370 revoked? 5th August 2019. How much area of Kashmir falls under the domain of China? 15%. When Indian government made 2 new states out of Indian occupied Kashmir? 31st October 2019. What was the function of Article 370? Gave special status to Kashmir. What was the function of Article 35A? Defined permanent residents of Kashmir Valley.